Here we are, coming into the field. Raining again a little bit. Coming to see Ansi. I told Ansi last night, I said, hey listen, I sent him a text message. I said, don't be coming in here with your BMW. You're gonna get stuck. He's like, what do you mean? What? I said, the road is underwater. And he's like, oh, well, you know. Oh, shoot, you think he said. So he calls me up this morning and he says, oh, listen, you were right. I got stuck. I had to call the AAA, wait 2 hours, beg the guy to get me out. I was like, oh my God, Nancy. So here it is. I brought Cameron in to see him. This is what the water's coming in now. You can see that water there. It gets to be about a foot deep. All right, here we go. So. It is. There's the water. Getting deeper. Because that rain is coming and just keeps making it worse and worse. Alright, we're getting into the shallows now. And here we are. Let's see who's over here. A couple of people, airplane guys came in this morning. One of them drove to the other side. Some other guy tried to get in with his car and I think he got in. Got lucky. They're flying. So, let's see what's going on. There's Wayne there. There's Ansi. See where Ansi is. I'm gonna turn around. This is my nice parking place in the summertime. I even put up this little fence for the airplane pilots because they keep crashing in here. There's Ansi. Hey, good morning. How are you?
Hey, you made it, huh?
What happened to your car this morning?
To the nasty river. I had to call AAA.
What happened?
I got stuck in that water.
Man, didn't I tell you last night with a text message? I said, don't be coming in here.
No, you told me to come through.
I did?
Yeah, it was
Oh,
clear.
shoot. Oh, my God. So here we are. There's a whole bunch of airplane guys this morning, huh? Yeah. Even more people showing up. So that's cool. All right, let's see what's going on. See you guys. Bye.